So have you been on one before?
Nope.
No.
Great stuff. Well, best way, jump straight on and
Okay.
roughly what goes on. Just shove it across to that side.
Yeah.
It's quite a gentle movement, and you'll see the way it works. Really.
Sure.
It's easier just to this one. So it's up, down,
Yep.
side to side is the tilt,
Yeah.
and then you grab. If you had an attachment on the front.
Oh, okay.
But accelerator here,
Right.
and then with it being diesel, it's a key. And you're away. And it's all live. As soon as you step on that step, it's all live. If you jump
Right.
on that, it cuts all the.
Uh-huh.
But yeah, just have a quick get you.
Yeah. Oh. Wow.
From that
Okay,
side,
yeah.
and then it's all on
Yeah.
that.
Okay. I could get pretty handy with that. I think after a few minutes.
Easy to use?
Easy, very easy. And smash it into the fence or anything.